Hey, what's going on, people? It's me again. Yeah, I shaved for work. I got a new job, and I can have a beard, but I have to wear a fucking beard net, which is fucking stupid, and it's hot. I'm making cereal. Wow. Granola. But anyways, so I got another review for you today. Joose Screwdriver Cocktail. 12%. Mm-hmm. Let's give it a try. Wrong. Wrong tube. Great way to start this. I'm not gonna do a retake though. Fuck that shit. However, I need to take another drink. Yeah. Definitely taste the orange. Obviously, it's just a malt liquor though, so you can't taste like, vodka or whatever. I forget what a screwdriver is and a brass monkey. It's like orange juice and whiskey, orange juice, vodka. It's like, fuck. Who gives a fuck? This is Joose screwdriver, so it's orange juice and juice. So, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. It's not bad. So, yeah, 3 out of 5. 24-ounce can. Good stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like screwdrivers and orange, try it out. Like I said, it's not bad. 3 out of 5. Have a good one.